Hello traders, how's it going? Welcome to another edition of Weekly Crypto Update, where we discuss what happened in the past week and try to forecast what is likely going to happen in the next week. Today is 15th of April here at Forex Academy, and my name is Nikola Lazic. So, at the start of the week on Monday, April 9th, cryptocurrency market cap was around 266.4 billion dollars, and it increased to about 30 $335.2 billion, and it has retraced since then to $331.4 billion. That means that another around 69 $1 billion have entered the market. Looking at the Bitcoin daily chart, we can see that the price has breached out of the falling wedge in which it was since 16th of December. If we zoom into an hourly chart, we can see that from 9th of April till today, the price has increased by 25.7%, from around $6,640 to about $8,356. In order to forecast what is likely going to happen in the next week, I've used Elliott waves in combination with Fibonacci retracement tool, and my primary count is this. This was an ABC correction. Then we had a classic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse. Then another ABC correction. And now we are in the stage of the first impulse, which hit this Fibonacci level over here. That is 0.368, sorry, 0.382, and this is a Fibonacci retracement from this highest point at $11,600 to this low here of around $6,471. So these are some significant levels that you should be watching. I'm expecting price to drop to at these levels around $7,682, uh, which is this Fibonacci level of 0.236. The target for this is around $10,600. So we're going to see how this plays out. And now we're going to look at Ethereum. As you can see from this daily chart, Ethereum's price also breached out from this falling wedge, which is in correspondence with the market capitalization form. As you can see, this global chart also formed a falling wedge, and we have breached out of it. I've also used here Elliott waves and Fibonacci retracement to forecast what is likely going to happen. And if we zoom in a bit, we can see that after this ABC correction, we had this consolidation period here. And the price formed a cup and handle formation. And then went on to create another two bull flags here, which is in my mind all the part of this first impulse, whose target is around $578 per Ethereum. Now this is what I am expecting, that price should go up to $1,000. Now this is just a projection. We will see how this plays out and when it plays out, but we are definitely in for upside trajectory in the next couple of weeks. Looking at Ripple, we can also see that the price has breached out of this descending channel, in which price was from around the 11th of February, and now we can see that it is it has increased from 9th of April till now about 43.8%. In order to figure out what is likely going to happen, I've labeled this as a correction starting from here at $1.68 to this point at $0.45 per Ripple, and since then the price went into this symmetrical triangle, which was an ABCDE consolidation and also a cup and handle formation. And since then the price breached out to $0.7 per Ripple and is now in this rising wedge. So what am I expecting this week is to see this consolidation continue and then another breach to the upside, but of course we'll just have to wait and see. So some of the significant levels that you should watch out after are around $0.64 So this is maybe like a should be viewed as a zone, and this in fact may be a correction coming. So if this was a, let me just zoom in again. So if this was wave 1, maybe the price will come down to these levels before it continues higher. So this zone here in this rising wedge is highly significant and should be definitely looked out after. Um, However, as a rule of thumb, when this line of the triangle is steeper, that means that the price is likely going to breach in that direction. So watch closely at these levels and we will see what happens. And now on to Litecoin. We are looking at Litecoin US dollar daily chart. As you can see, the price went above this upper uptrend support line here, and above this retracement zone. So now we are going to zoom in to an hourly chart. On which we can see that from 9th of April till this day, the price of Litecoin went up approximately 15.76%, which is not bad, but considering gains made by other cryptocurrencies that we have covered, uh, seemingly smaller. And now on to our forecast. As you can see, the price here from September made this cup and handle formation from which the price burst in a very unsustainable upward trajectory and had to be corrected, which happened from 18th of December. This was a three-wave correction, then followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave, another three-wave correction, and is now in this consolidation, and I'm expecting the price of Litecoin to be stuck in this triangle here, oscillating between $132 to the low at $116, and again to $130 to $120 before it goes upward to the target of approximately $200.